Hello YouTube, this is Rishikesh and in this video we will gonna talk about everything you need to know about Google Pixel Series 6 before the launch. Of course, phone अभी तक launch नहीं हुआ है, but we will know everything what's happening on the internet about Google Pixel Series 6, but not rumors. Without rumors. So talking about the launch, Google announced that it will going to arrive on October 19, 10:30 p.m. IST. So let me tell you that Google has specially made a dedicated page so that we can catch a Google Fall Pixel launch event. Talking about the specs, keeping in mind that phone has not launched yet, so there are some expected specifications should be displaying right in front of your screen. So there will be Google Pixel 6 and Google Pixel 6 Pro. So let me tell you that this is completely conjectured by the experts. So Pixel 5 में हमें देखने मिली थी 480 mAh battery, which was quite decent. But it is expected that Pixel Series 6 will have at least 414 mAh and Pixel Series 6 Pro should have 5000 mAh battery. Also, it is expected कि Google Pixel Series 6 में at least 120 Hz display मौजूद होना ही चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max already have 120 Hz display. So Google Pixel Series 6 को at least 120 Hz display देना ही पड़ेगा to compete with its competitors. So now let's talk about the Tensor chip that Google is going to introduce in its Google Pixel 6 series. According to the Google, and it is also mentioned on their website, that Tensor chip is powered by artificial intelligence and ML. So it is expected that Tensor chip will just unlock the photography experience, so user को और मतलब कैमरा का परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए मिल सकता है, maybe competing with the iPhone 13 Pro cinematic mode. So according to the Google, Tensor's new security core and Titan M2 will have the most layer of hardware. अब Google एक न्यू टेंसर चिप हार्डवेयर इम्प्लांट करने जा रहा है, तो I just want to see कि एक बैटरी किस प्रकार मैनेजमेंट कर पाता है So इसी के चलते अब हमारे पास है 3 पावरफुल स्मार्टफोन चिप्स, that is Apple's A15 Bionic, Snapdragon 888 and Tensor. Finally, and the most awaited upcoming Pixel 6 series will come with Android 12. अगर आपको पता नहीं होगा तो Android 12 looks more stunning and amazing. After making multiple Android versions, finally Google has managed to make an OS which look quite aesthetic and simple. अगर हम डिजाइन एंड कैमरा की बात करें तो डिजाइन कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है, which look quite simple. कलर्स में यही कुछ अवेलेबल होगा and yes, we will get a dot notch in the upper middle part of the Google Pixel Series 6. And talking about the camera, these are some leaked camera pics. So that's it for the day. Hope you like this quick video, and if you do, just hit the subscribe button because it's completely free. My name is Rishikesh, this is Tech Swanky, and yes, we will meet in the next video.